In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your pipeline in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Sorting your pipeline is a quick way to bring the most important deals to the top, whether that's the biggest opportunities, the newest leads, or the ones closing soon. This makes daily prioritization simpler and keeps your team aligned on what to tackle first. Start by heading to the Deals section on the left bar. That's your home base for everything pipeline related. Once you click into Deals, you'll see your pipeline laid out, with all your deals organized by stage. We're going to adjust how these deals are ordered on the screen without changing any actual data. Sorting won't move a deal to a different stage, it only changes the sequence you're viewing. Look to the top right of your deals view and find the Sorts button. This is where the magic happens. Think of it as the control panel for how your list is arranged. When you open it, you'll see a drop-down menu with different options you can sort by. Choose the one that best matches what you want to focus on right now. For example, you might sort by deal value to see your highest value opportunities first, by add time to surface the most recent deals, or by expected close date to line up what's coming due. The exact options you see may vary based on your setup, but the idea is the same. Pick the attribute that helps you work smarter today. Right next to that drop-down, on its left, there's a small arrow icon. This arrow controls the direction of the sort. Click it to switch between descending and ascending order. Descending is great when you want the biggest or most urgent items at the top. Ascending is useful if you prefer to start from the smallest or earliest. You'll see your deals immediately rearrange as you toggle, so you can confirm at a glance that the view now matches your intention. And there you go. You've sorted your pipeline in just a few clicks. Remember, this only changes how you see the deals. It doesn't delete, move, or modify them. It's simply a fast way to focus your attention. If your needs change throughout the day, feel free to revisit the Sorts button and switch the criteria or direction again. That flexibility is what makes sorting so handy for daily workflows. That's all. With this quick approach, your pipeline stays clear, relevant, and easy to act on, helping you make better decisions in less time.